Well, as Tampa comes back to life again on a Wednesday morning, so will I. Today is rehearsal day. The bands will be coming in. We do a complete run through on every element that has been built for this conference to make sure that everything looks the way it's supposed to, and then we've got time to fix anything should we need it. So it's going to be a very long, a very busy day. These doors freak you out? Yeah, they do me a little bit. We've been here 3 days and it feels like 3 weeks. Days turn into weeks. Somehow. It's math. Wow, busy morning. We just got through a full video rehearsal where we rolled every single element. There are some of these things that have 2 and 3 different pieces to them on 3 different surfaces. So it was kind of intense, but it was really cool to see how it all came together. This is going to be an amazing conference and an amazing experience for all the women who are attending. Okay, today is kind of playing out the way I was afraid that it was going to play out. Today has been all about rehearsals, and it's been tough because I've been locked up in a dark room for a long time, just going through list after list, session after session, as when we've been rehearsing everything that can be rehearsed, and we're still not done. It's just that I get so dang busy, I can't show a whole lot. So we'll just keep motoring on through this day. I'll show you what I can, but it is what it is. Let's go check in on the editors. Yeah, let's see if they scurry like cockroaches.
Get the thing out of my face!
At the risk of just restating what I feel like I keep saying over and over again, it's details. An event of this level, there are just so many elements. This is like, I don't know, 10 times more, and that's partially exaggerated, but actually partially true. There's just so many more elements, so many more graphics, so many more videos, and sometimes I've got 3 different streams playing at the same time, going to 3 different outputs, and maybe none of this means anything to you, but it's just crazy busy, and that's the way it's been all day. And we're not done, so we're about to start another rehearsal just to get today done, and then we'll be right back tomorrow to start it again. A friend of mine asked me today if I still get a charge out of what I do, and I told him yeah. Because even after all of the setup, all of the details, all of the rehearsing over and over again, I know that when this thing kicks off tomorrow night, everybody and everything is going to be firing on all cylinders. And I get such a charge about that minute that we go live and everything just rocks. This is the end of day 3. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you're so inclined. Maybe subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you again tomorrow.